Science Lines Primary School, Bagalkot, for Mathematics class of Standard 7th. Dear students, now I am starting the new chapter, Geometry, new chapter, that is the triangle and its properties. Very, very important. The triangle and its properties. Very, very important I am saying, not only for 7th standard, even it is important for the 8th, 9th, 10th. That means this is the base of the upcoming standards. Okay. Now, first we will see what is triangle. Already you have learnt what is triangle and some of the properties in the smaller classes you have learnt. But again, once again, just I am recalling your memory and I am taking you towards the next points. Okay. See, first we will see triangle means suddenly all of you get this figure in your mind. Am I right? This is triangle. So, what is a triangle then? Triangle is a closed figure of 3 line segments. Closed figure. Why we are saying closed figure? Here see, this is closed figure you have learnt in the previous classes. What is closed figure? What is open figure? Okay, this is triangle is a closed figure of 3 line segments. Okay, then what are the properties? What are the important properties of the triangle? Triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Vertices is plural of vertex. Here see AB, BC, CA are 3 sides. Which are the 3 sides? 3 sides are AB, BC, CA are 3 sides. Okay. Then what are the 3 vertices? A, B, C. A is a vertex, B is a vertex, C is a vertex. Okay. A, B, C are vertices. So, here see, you just remember, and also it is having 3 angles. 3 angles. How many angles it is having? 3 angles. These are the properties. Angle A, angle B, angle C are 3 angles. Here see, 3 sides and 3 angles are the main important properties of the triangle. So, 3 plus 3, 6 elements. Triangle has 6 elements. Very, very important. That is, the 6 elements of the triangle are 3 sides and 3 angles. How many elements are there for the triangle? 6. Which are the 6 elements of the triangles? 3 sides and 3 angles are the 6 elements of a triangle. These are all points about the triangle. Okay. Now we learn some more important points or aspects of triangles that already have learned in the previous classes. That is, on the basis of the sides, triangle is of 3 kinds. Which are those? Equilateral triangle. When it is equilateral, when all 3 sides are equal. 3 sides are equal. What we call equilateral. Equilateral. Okay. Only 2 sides are equal. What do we call? 2 sides are equal. We call it as isosceles. What it is? Isosceles. No sides are equal. No sides are equal. What do we call? That is scalene triangle. See, these are the kinds of the triangle on the basis of the sides. Side. Okay. If all 3 are equal, it is called as equilateral triangle. If 2 sides are equal, it is called as isosceles triangle. If no sides are equal, all 3 are different. So, such kind of triangle is called as scalene triangle on the basis of the size of the triangle or measurement of the triangles. Triangles are of 3 kinds. Okay. Then on the basis of the measurement of the angle, three angles are there. On the basis of the measurement of the angle, the triangles are acute angle, obtuse angle, right angled triangle. So this is what on the basis of the triangle it is. On the basis of the acute angled triangle, obtuse angled triangle. Okay, then right angled triangle. So here see these three angles. On the basis of the three angles, the triangles are of three kinds. Main three kinds here. In the acute angled triangle, all the angles are acute. And in the obtuse angled triangle, one angle is obtuse. And in the right angled triangle, one angle is right angle. Okay, these all things already have learnt in 6th standard. Okay, so now on this base, the next aspects are median and altitude you are learning. That is very important. So and in your textbook, try these is there. So please try it. You have to write the name of the triangle on the basis of the size also, on the basis of the angles also. You have to name them. That is for your practice. Try these. Okay. Next comes medians of a triangle. The important point, that is median. What is median of the triangle? We will see. And altitude. These are the 2 points that we are learning. The new points we are learning. That is medians of a triangle. Medians of a triangle. Medians of a triangle. What is this median? First we learn what is this medians of a triangle. See here. Suppose this is a triangle of the name ABC. Okay. Now the midpoint we have to find out. You know how to find out the midpoint of the BC. How do you find out? By doing the perpendicular bisector. Okay. So if this is the midpoint of BC, that is D. Okay. Suppose BC is midpoint of D is midpoint of BC, means BD equal to DC. If BC is 10 centimeter and this is 5, this is 5. And this is midpoint of BC. So when we join the vertex A and D, when we join the opposite vertex of this midpoint, okay, the opposite vertex of the midpoint D, when we join AD is a median of a triangle. AD is called median of a triangle. Median of a triangle. I hope you understood what I am saying. ABC is a triangle. D is midpoint. You have to find out the midpoint of the base BC. If D is the midpoint, then we have to join the opposite vertex of D, which is opposite to the D. A is opposite. When you add this, AD is called the median of a triangle ABC. Median of the triangle ABC. This is what median of the triangle. I hope you understood. Then again the same way, even sometimes the triangle also will be like this. Okay. Suppose if this is P, Q, R. Now you find out the midpoint of QR. Maybe it is here. See here. It is QR. Okay. Midpoint. If this QR is 12 centimeter, This is 6 centimeter. These are supposed to be 6. This is x. Okay. Now you join the opposite vertex to the x. Px. Now here what do we call? Px is a median. Median of triangle PQR. I hope you understood what is median. Very, very important. 8th, 9th, 10th. Nobody will explain you again what is median there in the higher class. So please learn properly what is median. Okay. Next term we are learning is altitude. What is that? Altitude. See, this is median. Another point you are learning, that is new point, that is altitude. Altitude, the another name of this altitude is height. Height. See how the height will be there. The height of your room, it will be perpendicular to the floor. Okay. That means suppose in a triangle, okay, A, B, C. Now you just join some lines from the vertex A to the base BC. Okay. These are the lines I am drawing from the vertex A to the base BC. Among these all the lines which you are seeing as the perpendicular line, see here, this is perpendicular. Other all you just observe how they are, see they are slanting. I hope you are following what I am saying. See, only this line is perpendicular to the baseline. So the altitude is a height of a triangle. The height of a triangle, only one. Every triangle has only one altitude. See here, if this is D, AD is an altitude. And altitude of triangle ABC. I hope you understood or you are following what I am saying. See, this is PQR. See here, PQR. See, now if you join the lines like this, see, this is not 90 degree, this is not 90 degree, not 90 degree, not 90 degree, this is 90 degree. Okay? Okay? This is not 90, not 90, not 90, not 90, not 90. All are slanting. Out of this all, which is 90 degree here? See now, this is 90 degree. So, this is called as PA is an altitude. An altitude of triangle PQR. Okay? I hope you understood this. Very, very important points I explained now. What are those? Median and altitude of a triangle. Okay. So before this, what you understood? You understood that what is a triangle and which are the 6 elements of the triangle, and on the basis of the size, triangle is divided into or classified into 3 categories, and on the basis of the angles, the triangle is again divided into 3. After that, some more aspects of the concept of the triangle are median and altitude. Okay, median is you have to take the midpoint of the base and draw the vertex and the midpoint, you join the line, and this AD is median. Here also same, PX is median, but here the altitude is the height. Okay, the 90 degree, the line which represents the 90 degree angle, that line is altitude of the triangle. Here AD is altitude, here PA is altitude. Okay, on this base now we will do the exercise. The points regarding to this I am going to give last after completing the chapter, as we have done in the 5th chapter. So this is also geometry, you have to do in the geometry fair note only. Now I will do the exercise 6.1. Okay, very easy it is. Now what you understood now, median and altitude, that only now you have to just write in the exercise. So exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1. Okay. Now, first main, we will draw the figure. See? We will draw the figure. What is that? P, Q, R, and here PM is 90 degree. Observe the figure properly. And PD. Here now you have to answer. Fill in the blanks are there. That you have to write. Okay. In triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, okay, D is the midpoint of QR. D is the midpoint of QR. Then what about the PD? PD is median. Then what about PM? PM is altitude. Why? Here it is showing 90 degree. So now PM is dash. What is the PM here? PM is altitude. Then PD is median. Okay. Is QM equal to MR? QM equal to MR? QM is not equal to MR because here D is midpoint of QR. QM is not equal to QM. Is QM equal to MR? No. QM is not equal to MR. Why? Because M is not midpoint of QR. Midpoint of QR. Okay. This is what the first main. Now second main we will do. Second main, draw rough sketches. Draw rough sketches for the following. Okay. First one, what we have to draw? In triangle ABC, BE is a median. In triangle ABC, BE is a median. Okay, we have to draw it. We will draw it. Yeah. ABC triangle, BE means BC must be the base. Okay. This is triangle A, B, C. BE is median means A must be the midpoint. BE is median means okay. Now we will take this B and this we will take as A, B, C. See now, this is what according to the statement in triangle A, B, C, BE is a median. Okay, I hope you understood. Then the second one, B. In triangle PQR, PQR, PQ and PR, PQ and PR are altitudes of the triangle. PQ and PR are altitudes of the triangle. Are altitudes of triangle. So, how to draw this in triangle PQR? See students, in the second one, in triangle PQR, PQ and PR are altitudes of triangle. In a right angle triangle, there will be two altitudes. How it will be, I will show you now. If it is right angle, okay, we can say, but other triangles will have one, as I said in the earlier. See, now this is PQ and PR. See, PQ is one altitude in this triangle, even PR also one altitude in this triangle. So, according to the statement, we have drawn the diagram. Then the third one, in XYZ, YL is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle. Exterior means out of the triangle. See, XYZ, X, Y, Z is one triangle. YL is an altitude. YL, see, this is one altitude. Where it is? Exterior of the triangle. Out of the triangle this is. So, we have to extend the base and we have to draw one perpendicular here. So, YL is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle. Now, the last one, that is third one. See, just I will do here only. See, the third, just one simple diagram is there. What is that? Verify by drawing a diagram. Third main. Verify by drawing a diagram. By drawing a diagram. If the median and altitude, if the median and altitude of an isosceles triangle, of an isosceles triangle can be same. We have to draw and see it. Okay, we will do that only now. See, in an isosceles triangle means two sides will be equal. See, this is isosceles triangle. That is A, B, C. Here AB equal to AC. Two sides are equal. Now, median and altitude should be same. Yes. Here see, BC will take the midpoint. Then when we join this is right angle also, and this will be midpoint of ABC also. So here AD is median and altitude of the triangle ABC. Okay. So this is what explanation and also the exercise 6.1 finished. I hope you all understood. So please take the exercise neatly in the geometry fair note. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe my channel.